From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here are the confirmed tornadoes from the National Weather Service out of Columbia. In the News 19 viewing area, we had 9 tornadoes late Thursday and early Friday morning. Did have a number of storm reports in total from the National Weather Service out of Columbia. They had 11 confirmed tornadoes. Still do have the river flood warning in effect for the Wateree and the Congaree, so ongoing flooding continues. You do want to avoid those flooded areas. Here's a map of the river flood warnings, the Wateree and the Congaree. The Saluda river flood warning has now expired and or been canceled. The water levels will continue to decrease. Congaree at Columbia did peak, but still in that moderate range. Notice the graph here is going to continue to drop. The Wateree River will continue to drop over the next few days. Peaked at almost 106 feet. Moderate flooding does continue, but it's going to gradually drop as we do move through the rest of the work week. Still watching this area. National Hurricane Center gives us about a medium or moderate chance of further development as it does move into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll be watching this area. This is way over here in the eastern Atlantic. High chance for that to develop into something. And we do have Tropical Storm Kirk is expected to become a major hurricane. At this point, stay in the middle of the Atlantic. Back here at home, pollen's still a problem for some of us. It's ragweed and those other weeds, those fall weeds that we do suffer from. That'll be the case for today and tomorrow. Temperature-wise, yesterday, pretty warm, made it all the way up to 88 degrees. Today probably won't be quite as warm as we do start the new month, and we did pick up an inch and 77 hundredths of rain on Friday. No rain officially at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport over the weekend or yesterday. Mostly cloudy skies throughout your day. Can't totally rule out a very small chance for some rain in the northern part of the Midlands and the Palmetto State. Even as we go into tonight, fog will be possible early Wednesday morning. As we get to Wednesday afternoon, I expect a good bit of sunshine. We'll have a few more clouds towards the end of the work week. As far as rainfall amounts are concerned, over the next 7 days, low opportunities for rainfall. There may be some slightly higher chances for rain along the coastal region of South Carolina. High temperatures low to mid 80s for daytime highs. Breeze coming out of the northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mainly clear with the lows dropping down pretty comfortable into the mid 60s Wednesday morning. Still a News 19 weather impact alert day because of the river flooding, but those river levels will continue to drop as we do move through the rest of the work week. Temperatures and weather pretty quiet. Highs maybe a degree or two above normal even as we look ahead towards the weekend with temperatures in the mid 80s on Saturday, low 80s on Sunday. Low risk for rip currents along the coastal region. That is certainly great news if you're going to be heading to the coast over the next few days. Looking ahead towards your Myrtle Beach forecast, Saturday, Sunday looking good with highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. We'll be in the low 80s. Charleston, partly to mostly cloudy skies, and Greenville, upper 70s to near 80 degrees both Sunday and Saturday. Looking ahead, 8 to 14 days out, October 8th through October 14th, maybe slightly wetter than normal conditions for the low country of South Carolina, slightly drier than normal conditions in the upstate and the northwestern part of the Midlands, and near normal temperatures during that same time frame. As we do continue to move through the month of October, the leaves continue to change from north to south. This according to Explore Fall. Already starting to get some low color in the mountains of North Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. For us here across South Carolina, in particular the Midlands, the colors start to change basically near mid-November, early November for the northwestern part of the Midlands into the upstate of South Carolina. As always, you can follow me on the social media outlets. Have a great Tuesday.